Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial for those that are new to JumpRope. This is a tutorial for the absolute beginners. To begin with, you have to know the basics, things that you are supposed to start with if you are to begin JumpRope. Say rope, proper gear, shoes, and the other thing is if you have the rope, then you have to know the right size of the rope. When I get a new rope, how I normally do my sizing of the rope. Normally I step on in the middle of the rope, then I combine these two together. Then now this one, you have to my umbilical cord. But for the beginners, you can adjust your rope between your chest to the umbilical cord. As you get comfortable with the rope, you can still reduce to your waist. The shorter the rope, the easier or the more effective it becomes when you're using it, especially if you're going to be doing different skills with the jump rope. Now, for me, I would prefer this. Actually, the size of the rope depends on your height. There's no definite size of rope, but you still have to know that you still have to have a rope that is actually comfortable. You have to adjust the rope to the size that is actually comfortable to you, not what everyone says that the normal size of the rope should be this size. There's no actual size, but what you feel comfortable with and what you feel you can do with whatever you want to do. As you jump in, what you should know first is how to jump. Before you even go into skipping, you have to know how to jump. Normal jumping should be like you go. That is how we jump rope. Not or not. When you jump like this, you put more force onto your knees. You are going to get pain into your knees, but you should actually get into the habit of what I call proper jumping skills. First, before you even get rope, just get used to jumping. But when you get the rope, you shouldn't be jumping as higher as I'm jumping. This one is just to demonstrate to you how to jump. But as we practice, you can just small jumps. Make sure you leave enough space for the rope to go between the ground and your feet. You can practice this for as much as you can go. You can do it in sets of 10-10. If you're a beginner, absolute beginner, you can start with as low as possible. You can start with 5, go on increasing 5-5. You can do sets of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. You can do sets of 10. You can do sets of 20. Now, when you get comfortable with jumping, that is, then you get into the rope. Now, this is after you have adjusted the rope to what you actually feel like is the normal size to you, and what you feel is comfortable to you. That is between your chest and your umbilical cord, or lower. But for the lower, I would prefer when you have, as you progress, as you advance through your jumping rope skills, you can go as low as your belly. So now, after making sure you're comfortable with jumping, then you can introduce rope. Now, before you can go into the rope, Another habit you should be getting so comfortable with is using your wrist. Everything depends on the wrist. You can't be jumping and you're going to be this will tire you. You put not too much. Actually, will tire you before you even how should I call it? Okay, you'll get tired very fast. But for the simple ones, should be. Now, this is with the rope, with the wrist. Just you can see my wrist. This you can also practice before you even start jumping. Make sure you see my arm. My arm is only this moving, and maybe giving a little thrust to the rope. Then you can change to the other side and also do the same. You can practice this for as much as you can until when you get comfortable with the rope. Okay, you can change to backward, still with your rope. Again, the backward, your rope. Then let's jump into starting. As I told you, this is how you jump. Then to coordinate the rope to your jumping, you can start with as soon as the rope touches the ground is when you make that jump. Okay? You can change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is for the practice. Still, then you have to, let's go into the jumping. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. Now check my feet. I put my feet together. I don't put them apart. I put them together so that I can all the force goes through my 2 feet. I don't put the load of my weight onto 1 foot. I make sure I balance the load onto my 2 feet. That's why I put them together while jumping. And also to avoid the knee pain, get the combination of knees. That's put the knees together, but also to allow the rope to be going through smoothly. This is how I do it. Now look at my wrist and my arm. You see that I don't move my arm. I only move my wrist as I jump. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it slowly so that you can get how to go about it. You can make 10, rest, continue like that until when you get comfortable. Now from there, that will be the end. That is for the beginners part, right? First part of getting into the jump rope. From there, we shall continue with the